Elvis wouldn't have sex with Priscilla after she became pregnant. He felt the need to maintain Priscilla's virginity. He felt the need to maintain Priscilla's virginity. A tell-all claims he installed two-way mirrors in his house to watch people. A tell-all claims he installed two-way mirrors in his house to watch people. Elvis assaulted Priscilla when she told him she didn't love him anymore. He gave 17-year-old Priscilla amphetamines to keep her awake for sex. He gave 17-year-old Priscilla amphetamines to keep her awake for sex. Elvis fired gunshots at his last fiancée and was extremely controlling. Both Natalie Wood and Cybill Shepard criticized his prowess in the bedroom. Elvis was obsessed with teenage girls and called them Cherries. Elvis was obsessed with teenage girls and called them Cherries.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.